There are some ingredients from home that seem so small, so ordinary. Open the fridge and they were always there.
I never gave them a second thought. But living abroad, I suddenly realized, without my mom prepping in advance, and no easy way to buy them, a lot of dishes if I want to make, it is impossible. That's when it hit me. Those things I took for granted were actually a luxury. Not just the ingredients themselves, but the care and efforts my mom put into keeping the kitchen stocked. So, to satisfy my hometown craving, I started stuffing my suitcase with ingredients every time I went back. But now, as I document the recipes for Jo's kitchen, I decided to take the step further to make these essential ingredients from scratch. And today, we're starting with fermented mustard greens.
This Dali style pickle is traditionally made with mustard greens, harvested in spring or early winter. But if you can't find the mustard greens, chilli also works well. And unlike Western pickles, these Dali style fermented greens are made without vinegar. They rely on natural lactic acid fermentation. They thrive in an anaerobic environment. Controlling moisture is the key to making this pickle. So first, we need to lay them in a sunny, airy spot to dry them out a little. Oil-free and airtight conditions are crucial for fermentation to work. Glass jars or ceramic pots would be best container choices. Rinse a container with boiling water or high-proof alcohol to kill off any unwanted bacteria. Besides mustard greens, we also need the carrots, ginger, chili powder, fennel seeds, and salt. Cut the mustard green into 2 cm pieces and slice carrots and ginger. Put all of them into a big bowl, mix in spices. When adding salt, do it gradually. Sprinkle a little at a time, mix well and taste as you go. If it's not salty enough, add more. Do you know how people used to wash clothes before washing machine? I've noticed that hand washing clothes is a bit of lost skill in some places. Well, today, you're about to learn a new skill, hand washing pickles. Just like scrubbing laundry, use your hands and knead the vegetables firmly. It helps release excess water, which is key for a good fermentation process. And just like laundry, there's another way to do this. That's entirely up to you. You'll know it's ready when the greens turn from bright greens to a more yellow-green color. Squeeze out extra water before packing the greens into jars. Press them down tightly so there's as little air as possible. If your jar isn't fully airtight, cover the top with plastic wrap before sealing the lid. Now let fermentation do its magic. The way you know the pickle is ready, just taste it. If it's crispy and just the right level of sour for you, it's done. In Singapore's warm and humid climate, my pickles fermented in just 2 days. Seeing my own jar of pickles gives me a strangely satisfying sense of adulthood. Today, I can take care of my own cravings even in a foreign country. If you are living away from home, what's the one taste you miss the most?